What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there on this Money Monday? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back just to do a update for Stable Swap. As you can see on the screen, before we get into it, go check out my crypto projects if you haven't done so at www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is in the description. Go check them out, see what I got going on. All right, let's refresh this screen and see where we are. As far as the liquidity with Stable Swap is 5,982,871 with total providers of 3,340. Outstanding numbers that they've got here due to them only coming on board November of last year and only having 3,000, not even 3,400 providers in this project. All right, so of course this is a crypto project. It's crypto in, crypto out. Make sure you use risk capital before getting started in any of these crypto projects, because I am not your financial advisor, and nor will I ever be a financial advisor. All right, so do your own research before getting involved in these projects. All right, now this project is out of the Philippines, and one of the co-founders of the project is Danny D. All right, and he is a content creator as well. You can find him. He does mostly, was it Saturdays, I think it is. He does Zooms on his channel. All right, just a casual conversation, and folks can come up on the Zoom and engage and ask questions, and it's just very casual, laid back. But at any rate, we know who he is, and it's a hands-on project. All right, I like what they got going on over there at Stable Swap. They only operate in two currencies, USDT and USDC. All right, this is a slow and steady project. No hypes here. As you can see, here are the liquidity pools that they have. Short term is 0.1% per day. This is 7 days a week platform. They have a medium term for 120 days at 0.2% per day. Your crypto will be locked in for the duration of that time, at which at the end of that term, you will get your crypto back. Okay, so that's great as well. And then their long-term liquidity pool is 300 days, and the daily rewards is 0.35% per day. All right, so that's going to be about 10.5% a month at the 300-day term. All right, and from time to time, they will have promos, okay? The promotions would be on the 300-day liquidity pool. I believe the last promo they had, and it lasted for either 24, 48 hours or something like that, and it was like 0.50% per day. Okay, you have to jump in and get your liquidity pool before it ends. So it's a promo. They have those from time to time. So, but the everyday rate, the highest reward is 0.35% per day. And if you take a look, I've got several of those here myself, long-term stakes in this project. So far, so good. It's going very well. I've had several withdrawals from the platform. All right, no issues, no drama. Going very well. All right, so let's see what we got over here. We've got 38 in USDT and our balance. We could go in here and we can start us a new liquidity pool if we want, or we can withdraw once it reaches 50. Right here it says see withdrawal 50 minimum. Okay, so and then you can see to the right here my rewards 358, and my current value is 847 total value. Okay, So what I've been doing is withdrawing, and I've been adding additional liquidity pools from my profits, not coming out of pocket, but profits, okay, from my rewards. So once this reaches 50 again, I will add it over here because we're going to get it to 1,000. All right. So that's where we are with that. So far, all is well. You can deposit. All right. Before we get into that, this is a private project. Forgot to mention that. You cannot even join without getting an invite code from someone. That's number one. Number two, the Telegram group is also private. So everything is locked, is private. All right. But you could do a deposit here with USDT or USDC, either one. Example would be, say you wanted USDT, you would come here, right? And you would select, oh, wrong one, deposit. You click deposit, select your currency of choice, select the chain, QR code will appear, okay? Tells you here the minimum is 50, the max is 100,000. If you put in less than 50, they're going to charge you $3.50 fee. So make sure you pay attention here. Send your crypto right in here to this wallet address. It'll show up here. Once it shows up here, step 2 will be come over here and purchase your liquidity pool. For example, I already have some in there. Let me just show you what it will look like. We will click provide liquidity. Here is the balance here. It tells me my minimum deposit is 25 and the max is 100K. And then I will click here to accept the terms and confirm. And boom, I would have a new liquidity right here. Okay? Very simple. And then my rewards are here. My history is here. Let's see what's over here. This will refresh here in a second, and you'll see these micro rewards coming through, daily staking profits. This is passive rewards, okay? That's what's going on here. This is earning on its own, okay? What also is happening is for everybody that have signed up with me, all right, the way it will work is the new folks that, well, they've gotten rid of the levels. There's no levels, okay? So you're earning, when people sign up with you, you're going to be earning 15% of what they earn, not 15% of what they deposit. All right, that's the typical. Okay, but they've taken away all the levels. So, but you're going to be earning every day 15% of what they earn. So if they earn $50 a day, you're going to earn 15% of that 50 every day for the duration of that protocol. Okay? Pretty cool stuff here. Really like what they got going on. Like I said, I can actually do another liquidity, but I'm going to wait until it gets up to 50 again. All right, so far so good. All is well with Stable Swap. All right, guys. So just want to keep you up to date on that. All right, that's it. Go check it out if you're interested. www.coffeeandcoins.info. Again, invite code. Okay. So, but you have to already know what this is all about. I don't have the capacity to go through all of the training and all that stuff. So you're going to need to know what Stable Swap is all about. All right, to get a code from me, that is. All right. So at any rate, this is where we are. We're doing very well with this. And we're sticking and staying with Stable Swap. All right. So see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.